Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite using GeForce Now. First, let's understand the basics. GeForce Now is a cloud gaming service that allows you to play PC games on almost any device without needing a powerful gaming rig. To get started, ensure you have a stable internet connection, ideally with at least 15 megabits per second for 720 pixels at 60 frames per second, or 25 megabits per second for 1080 pixels at 60 frames per second. Then, create an NVIDIA account and select a membership plan that suits your gaming needs. Once your account is set up, the next step is to download and install the GeForce Now application on your preferred device. It's available on Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, and even some smart TVs. After installation, simply log in using your NVIDIA account credentials. Navigate to the game library within the application and use the search bar to find Fortnite. It should appear prominently, ready for you to select and launch. Before you can jump into the action, you'll need to link your Epic Games account to GeForce Now. This is a straightforward process that usually happens automatically upon your first launch of Fortnite through the service. Once linked, launch Fortnite. You might want to adjust some in-game settings to optimize your experience, though GeForce Now often handles this well. Enjoy playing Fortnite with high frame rates and graphics, even on less powerful hardware, thanks to the power of cloud gaming. To ensure the best possible Fortnite experience on GeForce Now, consider a few optimization tips. A wired Ethernet connection is always superior to Wi-Fi for stability and lower latency. Also, close any unnecessary applications running in the background on your device, as they can consume valuable bandwidth. Finally, while keyboard and mouse work, many players find a compatible game controller offers a more immersive and precise gameplay experience for Fortnite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.